Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share one easy recipe which you guys can make it for the breakfast and you can keep it in the fridge and this is very good for the summer season guys. So today I'm going to share the recipe of coconut cream with chia seed pudding. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need some fresh coconut cream guys. So I'm going to add this fresh coconut cream into this jug, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Hey guys, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. If you don't have the sugar, you can add the honey also. Honey is good for our health. So that is the other option. And I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seed into this. So I'm using this organic chia seed guys. So I'm going to add some chia seed. So you can add a little bit more. It gives the nice and crunchy taste. And I'm going to mix all these things in the jug. Hey guys, I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla essence into this. It gives a nice flavor in the chia seed pudding. And I'm going to mix this one again guys. So this is done, and after shaking I'm going to put it in this serving glass. Hey guys, I put it in the serving glass, and what I'm going to do, in the top I'm going to add a sprinkling little bit of chia seed. So it gives a nice color, and I'm going to keep it in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 hours guys. So we have to wait for 4 to 5 hours. Hey guys, my pudding is ready, and I added some grapes. In India, it's a mango season, so you can add a lot of mangoes in this pudding. It gives the best taste in this chia seed pudding, guys. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make chia seed with coconut cream pudding at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye. And this is very good for the weight loss guys. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.